Here I've got UMIDIGI One Pro, and let me show you how to activate night light on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display, and here smoothly select night light. And if you would like to activate it right now, just tap here, and as you can see now it's active. Here you can change the intensity if you want to. So you can pick some warmer or cooler colors, it's up to you. Then you can switch it off the same way. You can also schedule your night mode, just tap on schedule, and it can be either from sunset to sunrise or turns on at custom time. So here just pick the hours between which it would be active, so it can be 11 till 5 a.m. next day. And that would be all. This is how you can activate night light, how you can schedule it, but also you can have a quick access through the upper bar, so smoothly slide it down and now locate the night mode icon. It's here, so just click once, and as you can see it has been applied. Then if you'd like to turn it off, just click again. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.